Packbot is a series of military robots by iRobot, an international robotics company founded in 1990. More than 2,000 were used in Iraq and Afghanistan. They were then used again to aid searching through the debris of the World Trade Center after 9/11 in 2001. Another instance of the Packbot technology being implemented was to the damaged Fukushima nuclear plant after the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami, where they were the first to assess the site. As of November 2014, the U.S. Army is refurbishing 224 iRobot 510 robots. The Packbot technology is also used in collaboration with NASA for their rovers and probes. iRobot. The company iRobot is focused on researching and developing robot technologies. The company also partakes in a future for science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM, education as an educational outreach. The company achieved $617 million in revenue in 2015. There are also offices located in multiple countries around the world. Below is a brief history of the company. 1990 Colin Angle, Helen Greiner, and Rodney Brooks found iRobot. 1998 iRobot establishes a DARPA contract leading to the Packbot. 2001 iRobot Packbot used to search World Trade Center ruins after the 9/11 attacks. 2002 Packbot first deployed to aid United States troops. 2004 iRobot wins a contract to create small unmanned ground vehicles, SUGV. 2005 iRobot begins trading stock. 2009 Spark Education Initiative. 2012 Defense and Security Robots Used Worldwide passes 5,000. iRobot International Packbot Orders. February 2011 iRobot released confirmation of a deal totaling $4.4 million for the first quarter of 2011 for the manufacturing of 27 Packbot 510s and spare parts to accompany them. In 2010, the industrial division of iRobot accumulated $13.2 million in revenue for international orders for Packbot alone in more than 25 countries. In September 2014, iRobot secured a deal with the Canadian Department of National Defence, DND. The contract was for the delivery of Packbot reconnaissance, chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear systems. The contract was priced at $9.6 million and includes the training of military personnel to operate the equipment as well as lifetime repairs and technical support. Packbots have also been used in non-military operations. In 2014 the Brazilian government received an order of 30 Packbots. The robots were used for security purposes during the 2014 FIFA World Cup, and the deal totaled $7.2 million in order to police the 12 host cities during the soccer matches. To date, iRobot has delivered upwards of 5,000 different robots including Packbots internationally. NASA and Packbots. The National Aeronautic and Space Administration, NASA, has a partnership with the company, iRobot. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, is a facility responsible for the development of robotic spacecrafts as well as the Deep Space Network. Among these spacecrafts are the rovers sent to the planet Mars. The rovers Spirit and Opportunity sent to Mars in 2003 are just two of the rovers managed by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Mars is not the only place employing iRobot technology. In 2011, Japan was rocked by a strong earthquake causing a meltdown of the Fukushima nuclear reactor. 2 Packbot rovers were deployed into the ruins of the nuclear power plant to assess damage where the radioactivity was at high enough levels prohibiting humans from exploring. The projects involving the cooperation of iRobot and NASA allowed the creation of high-tech machines. The much-needed physical structure of the robots was designed by iRobot, while the instruments and science equipment on board was provided by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Current Packbot 510 variants. Packbot 510 is the current base model. It uses a video game-style hand controller to make it more familiar to young operators. Packbot 510 with EOD bomb disposal kit designed for improvised explosive device identification and disposal. Packbot 510 with fast tactical maneuvering kit designed for infantry troops tasked with improvised explosive device inspection. This is a lighter weight robot. Packbot 510 with first responder kit designed to help SWAT teams and other first responders with situational awareness. Packbot 510 with hazmat detection kit collects air samples to detect chemical and radiological agents. Packbot 510 with FIDO utilizes the FIDO explosives detector from ICX Technologies as a payload in order to sniff out explosive materials. With the FIDO, the Packbot now has the capability of locating explosive devices and subsequently disarming them using onboard robotic capabilities. Packbot 510 with riddles sniper detection kit utilizes the acoustic direction finder from biomimetic systems to localize gunshots with azimuth, elevation, and range. RC2 U.S. Marine Corps version of the 510 Packbot with a longer and stronger arm, more cameras, communications variations, and better track propulsion. Packbot Performance. Packbot 510 has a maximum speed of 5.8 miles per hour or 9.3 kilometers per hour, and weighs 31.6 pounds or 14.3 kilograms. The robot can traverse mud, rocks, stairs, and other surfaces due to its caterpillar track. The robot also has zero radius turn capability, and can climb up to a 60-degree incline. The dual BB2590/U Li-ion rechargeable batteries allow for the robot to have a runtime of 4 to 8 hours. Adaptive Materials Incorporated, AMI, has created a PowerPod battery capable of extending the life of the Packbot. The PowerPod weighs 6 kg, 13 pounds, and allows for extension of battery life to reach 12 hours. It can maneuver in up to 3 feet of water. Packbot has more than 40 accessories which are illustrated in Packbot 510 variants. Additionally, the robot can communicate up to 1,000 meters or 3,281 feet, and captures information through 4 cameras with night vision, zoom, and illumination capabilities that allow for real-time image processing. Previous Packbot variants. Packbot Scout is the basic configuration. It has 5 payload bays for assignable purposes and can be dropped from a height of 6 feet, 1.83 m, onto concrete without being damaged. The Packbot Scout version weighs about 40 pounds, 18 kilograms. Packbot Explorer carries an integrated payload which can be elevated to allow peeking over obstacles or cover. Payload has a camera head equipped with multiple cameras, laser pointers, audio and other sensors. The Explorer variant was used to explore the debris of the World Trade Center after the attack on September 11 in search of victims and assessing the structural integrity of the debris by sending back images. Packbot EOD, Explosive Ordnance Disposal, can be controlled by radio or wired control to handle situations involving potential explosives, thereby reducing the risk of personal injury. Packbot Deployment. The main use of the Packbot in the field is IED detection and diffusion. The Packbot Scout was the first deployment of the Packbot and sent to Afghanistan in 2002 to explore caves and bunkers. This model was the simplest Packbot which contained just a robotic arm and camera. As of 2007, Packbots have been deployed to aid in the detection of sniper fire in the Middle East. Acoustic signatures detected by the robot allow ground troops to pinpoint sniper fire in battle. Packbot has also been used to explore buildings and other possibly dangerous areas with the modified light Packbot Explorer which only weighs 30 pounds and is faster than the Packbot 510. In addition, iRobot sent 2 Packbot 510 robots to Japan after the tsunami and earthquake destroyed Japan's Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. The robot was used on several reconnaissance missions at the power plant to remove debris and measure radiation readings.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.